Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Hobby Lobby. I went out of town and I just stopped in at Hobby Lobby because usually Hobby Lobby has a lot of stuff, but I think they were still hadn't stocked from the last clearance because most of the dyes were gone. They hadn't got any of the David Tutorial line that Michael's already has. Michael's had that since I guess around November last year, but my Hobby Lobby at home, nor this Hobby Lobby, actually had any of the David tutorials. I don't know if it was out, but it looked like they hadn't restocked because it was just so many empty spaces. But anyway, I went in and I just got a couple of things. The paper and everything was 50% off. Everything, the Paper Studio line, which is Hobby Lobby's line, was 50% off. So I got a couple items. So I did get some more of the washi tape, and this one is called, does it have a name? Flourishing Faith. And it's 15 pieces. And it is bright at the moment, so I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. I don't know if that's going to help. But you can see some of the images up here. This one says, Stand in Your Faith, some floral. Grace, love, some hearts. Fish symbol, the girls, just leaves, some more words, leaf flowers, clouds, eyelashes. This is But First Pray, hearts, stand firm in your faith. And this one is planted in my faith. So this one's all about faith. The other washi is called Fashion Girl. And I had the other one, so this is the one I think I didn't have. So this is the swans, some makeup, messy bun, some workout clothes, getting things done, drinking water, lipstick, lifting weights, all the kind of stuff that I need to be doing. But anyway, so I thought it was cute. So I have to just make sure that I know I don't have, I'm like 92% sure these are not the ones that I had. But I had the third one that's kind of in that collection. And then I got a couple paper pads, paper kits. And this is the Elle. As everybody would say, Elle Oh Elle, Elle Oh Elle. And it's just the sticker set, the like balls and all this different stuff. And it was $9, but it's 50% off. And then over here, so you can see the back, you have 10 12x12s, one cardstock sticker sheet, one cardstock alpha sticker sheet, and 21 die cut shapes. Of course, I have the stamp sets and the little puffy girls too, as well. And I actually have the paper pad too. And I like the little frames that they have as well. So I can't wait for that. And then I got the other one, the passport, the pink passport. And I actually have seen these back at home. But I think because I was out of town, I was hoping to get something else. And they were on sale. And either way, Hobby Lobby is like 45 minutes from my house at home, and I was already there. My grandson is trying to say hello. So the same thing.
I got new toys.
Why are you talking like a baby?
Because my voice when I get tired.
Alright, we'll go back to sleeping. He just woke up. So that's that one. I think both of those are really cute. I did not own the 12x12 paper pad for the pink passport, so I went on and got that one again, and that was only $7.50. So, and I know you all have seen this one because it's been around a little bit. I love those.
Let me go jam my cards in here.
Please stop talking like that.
Okay.
He's still doing it.
No.
So anyway, fun paper pad.
No, sometimes it sounds like it.
Okay.
It does.
I also picked up, I picked up this scrapbook as well. So it's just blank inside with the black stripes. So they were 50% off. Nice album. Thought I could use that for my daughter. And then the last one I got to make another wedding album. And her background colors were silver. And I had a paper kit, but then I was thinking I wasn't going to have enough paper. And for the price of this, compared to getting a couple of kits. It was just easy to get this, and I have more options, more silver paper than the other kit that I saw. But so her colors were silver and 3 shades of blue. So at least that gives me some different options with the blues. So, and then I still have the gold left over for somebody else. So I got that. So that is my small little haul from Hobby Lobby from when I was out of town. Can't wait to jump into some of the stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And thanks to all my new subbies as well. And you guys have a wonderful day. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.